Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create video behind text in CapCut apps part 3. This is the result. Now let's get started. First, we need to create the text that we want to use in the video, and then you need to click on new project, click on stock video, and then select the black background. Now let me show you how to make the first style. So you would click on the text, add the text, and you can go style to select font that you like. This style look cool when you have more text. And then you would move this to the beginning. You would add in a keyframe. Since this is a move text, I'm going to make this longer, and then you go to the next spot that you want to add in the keyframe. Click on the keyframe icon again, and then you will move the text all the way to the end, and then you can export it. Now go to the video that you want to use the text effect, and now let's add the text that we just create. Click on the overlay and add the overlay. Click on the text that we just made, and now click on split and then click on darken. So this is what the thread style looks like. I'm going to show you how you can create a fade out transition for this one. So you can click on a keyframe and then go to the end, and add another keyframe, and you go to all the way to opacity, and then you select down to 0. So that's how you can create a fade out effect for it. That's how you can create a video inside text effect with a fade out effect. That's how you can create a video inside text effect. Which style is your favorite? I hope you like this video, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing!